Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is metric conversion lesson 2. All right, in this problem, we're going to convert 4 different problems from one metric unit to another. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's do the first one. So we have 100 centimeters to hectometers. So first thing we do is we're going to write down the number 100. All right, now does it have a decimal point? No, it doesn't. So we have to give it a decimal point. So we give it a decimal point here. And we're going to see which one has the number the centimeter does. So we're going to put an X by the centimeter. And we're going to go to hectometer, so we're going to put an X there. Now, which is bigger, a hectometer or a centimeter? A hectometer is. So the arrow always points to the smallest unit. Okay, there you go. Now, so let's go ahead and count the number of changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to move the decimal 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, we have an empty cup. You're going to put a 0 in there. So the new answer is going to be 0.0100 hectometers. Pretty snarly, huh? You didn't realize it could be that easy, and it really is that easy. All right, so let's try another one, okay? So we're going to clear this up here, and let's do another one. All right, cool deal. Let's go to the next one. 24.7 kilometers to meters. So let's write down the number 24.7. Does it have a decimal? It certainly does. So we don't have to give it a decimal. So now we're going to put in X by kilo because it has a number. And we're going to go to meter, which is right here. Which is bigger, a meter or a kilometer? Well, obviously the kilometer is. So the arrow is going to point to the meter, right? So now let's count the number of spaces. 1, 2, 3. We're going to move it 3 spaces to the right. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, we'll have some empty cups. So you put zeros in for the empty cups. And that's going to give us 2, 4, 7, 0, 0. All right, pretty darn snarly. All right, let's clean that up a bit and we'll get ready to do our next one. This is a lot of fun. I got to tell you, this is an amazing amount of fun. I can do this all day. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. All right, here we go. We got 0.009, right? Decimeters to hectometers. Well, does it have a decimal point? Yes, it does. So we don't need to give it another decimal point. So let's go ahead and put here for decimeter. There you go. And we're going to go to hectometer, which is right here. Pretty easy, huh? It is. All right, which one's larger, hectometer or decimeter? Obviously, the hectometer is. So the arrow is going to go that direction. All right, so now let's go ahead and find out how many changes we have. 1, 2, 3. So now we're going to go 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look, we have 2 empty cups. Let's put some zeros in the empty cup. All right, so our answer is going to be 0.00000 and then 9. Wow, wasn't that easy? Of course it is. We got one more to do. So let's go ahead and let's do some erasing here. Clean this up a bit. That'd be great. Okay. And now let's do our last one. Our last one simply says 17 decameters to kilometers. So the first thing you want to do is write down the 17. Does it have a decimal point? No. So we need to give it a decimal point. There's our decimal point. See how easy that is? So now we put the X with the deca, and there we are, decameter. And we're going to go to kilometer, which is right here. So which is larger, a decameter or a kilometer? Obviously, the kilometer is larger. It's further up the scale, right? So the arrow is going to go that direction. So let's count the spaces. 1, 2. We're going to do 2 spaces to the left. 1, 2. So that's going to give me 0.17. Pretty easy and pretty straightforward, I say. All right. Well, guess what, guys? That's it for this lesson. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moosine Chemistry.